Hello everyone, this is Phil Morgan at Missouri Meerschaum Company in Washington, Missouri. In recent days, we've had a few of our customers either call or email, and they're concerned about the effect of the new Food and Drug Administration deeming regulations on our company, and question whether we're going to be able to make corncob pipes in the future. The one thing I can definitely assure you, we've been in business for 147 years. In 3 years, we'll be celebrating our 150th anniversary. We have no intention of stopping making corncob pipes. The new rules that the federal government has tried to impose on us are not going to keep us from making our corncob pipes. These pipes are a true American heritage and Missouri heritage product, and we have no intention of stopping. That being said, the FDA regs do apply to us. They apply to pipes which they determined that all pipes are tobacco products. So that we are subject, our products are subject to the new FDA rules. And our pipes, corncob pipes, are subject to them just like wooden pipes are. The good thing about it is, though, since we have been in business for so long, we have a lot of products that were made prior to 2007, and all of those products can be basically grandfathered in. It's only things made after that you have to in a sense get approval for. And one of the good things, and here's a good example, the pipe that I'm smoking right now, which is the Mark Twain that we introduced probably about 3 or 4 years ago now. This pipe is actually, it has a Dublin style bowl, and we made a pipe with a corncob pipe with a Dublin style bowl back in the 1930s and 40s. So this pipe, even though we came out with it only 3 or 4 years ago, we marketed it prior to that 2007 date. So we are good. Rest assured, we are going to continue making corncob pipes. The big problem with these new FDA deeming regs isn't necessarily how it affects a company like ours that's been in business as long as we have, but it's how it affects our hobby as a whole. The FDA just does not realize that being in the pipe business and the pipe tobacco business is not just about smoking a pipe, it's about the camaraderie and the fellowship that we all share. And this is so evident looking on the various forums that are there, the various Facebook groups that are out there, like Corncob Nation, Gentlemen's Pipe Smoking Society, the Pipe Smokers United in Christ, and there's 2 or 3 others, the Daily Piper. All they would have to do is look at these groups and see the interaction that all of us have with each other, and they would clearly see this isn't just about smoking tobacco. And it certainly isn't about a bunch of individuals becoming millionaires selling pipes and blending pipe tobacco. It's about the fellowship and the camaraderie that all of us share. And the really sad part of it is these deeming regulations is how it's going to affect people like the artisan pipe makers, or those of you who take our corncob pipes and modify them and then sell them. It has, the way the regs are written right now, it has the potential, to keep you from doing that unless you want to go to the expense of getting everything approved by the FDA. And it's not just the pipe makers, it's the tobacco blenders. All of our friends at our favorite tobacco shops that blend their own proprietary, or put together their own proprietary blends of tobacco. The way the regs are written right now, they're not going to be able to do that unless they register as a manufacturer. And that's the really sad part of this, is the effect that it's going to have on our hobby without accomplishing anything towards reducing smoking or keeping smoking out of the hands of minors. And that's why all of us need to do our part to try to do something about these regulations. We all need to contact our congressmen, our senators, and let them know that these regs are potentially putting an end to a tradition, a heritage that is unique, was uniquely started in America, and the corncob pipe, which is uniquely a Missouri product. So we all need to do our part to try to get them changed. The good thing is right now that there have been several lawsuits filed. One was filed last week, either Thursday or Friday, by the International Premium Cigar and Pipe Retailers Association, along with the Cigar Rights of America and Cigar Association of America, to try to get these regs changed on several different counts, several different issues that they have pertaining to both cigars, pipe tobacco, and to pipes. And in particular with pipes, what they're trying to do, what they hope to do, is get pipes taken out of the regs as far as being regulated and deeming it an accessory. In other words, no longer a tobacco product. So we're optimistic that something will be able to be done, to help with that. However, I just want to assure everybody that regardless of whether anything is done with the regulations as they stand right now, Missouri Meerschaum is going to continue making corncob pipes. We are going to continue growing our corn every year and going through the process of making these true American and Missouri heritage products. So I want to thank everybody who contacted us and was concerned about how the regulations affect us. The truth is, it affects every one of us in this hobby, and it's an absolute shame that our federal government has gone to this extreme, and we can only hope that it gets changed. But let me assure you, these pipes are still going to be available no matter what happens. Thanks everybody, and let's keep on smoking our pipes.